In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix AMD graphics card error 182 in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So basically, if you're getting this error on Windows 11, it usually means the installer can't find a compatible AMD GPU or the system setup is blocking the install. And now some of the common causes for this is unsupported or legacy AMD GPU, laptop with switchable graphics, so this can be AMD plus Intel NVIDIA, wrong driver type, desktop versus laptop, Windows update interfering, corrupted old drivers, etc. But what I suggest doing is doing a Google search for AMD cleanup utility and clicking on the first link here. Now basically what this is going to do, this AMD cleanup is designed to remove any previous installed AMD graphics and audio driver software found on a system and to prepare it for new graphics software and driver installation. And so yeah, it's a standalone application for systems running Microsoft Windows 7 and later. This utility does not remove or modify AMD chipset drivers when used on AMD powered systems. So you can have a read on this page and see what it actually does. So basically we want to go ahead and click on AMD cleanup utility for Windows, let that download and then go ahead and open it up. Then from there, just go through the prompts to install it. So detect the system is not running. So just go ahead and run that. Now the next fix is to go back to Google. Then we need to go ahead and download AMD drivers. So go ahead and click on download AMD drivers. Click onto driver and support for processors and graphics. Then basically scroll down a bit where it says download and setup. Go ahead and click onto AMD drivers and support. And then that's going to bring you over here. Then we want to go ahead and download your Windows drivers. So go ahead and click onto that and start downloading those drivers. And then basically once you've downloaded it, go ahead and install those drivers. And that should fix your graphics card error 182 in Windows 11.